For the first question, check the black ink with the white knife. A, you're not correct. You fell for the trap. The rest of us are correct. Question number 2, get the black ink out of check by moving away. Everybody is correct. Question number 3, check the black ink with the white bishop. Everybody is correct. Question number 4, get the black ink out of check by capturing. E and A, you're correct. The rest of us are not correct. Final question, get the black ink out of check by interposing. B is not correct. The rest of us are correct.